Good morning. My name is Valentina Caicedo. I am a student of Distribución Física Internacional del SENA. Today I want to talk about my presenting your master plan. The solid product was coffee because a study by the consulting firm Cantor revealed that Colombia household spends close to 98,336 on coffee per year, which present around 1,160 cups of coffee annually. According to the analysis, 1990 of Colombia household consume coffee. Based on sales, Colombian coffee export in July continued to recover the ground lost due to the pandemic and the blockade and grew 9% to 1.2 million 60 bags of green coffee comparing to the 1 million exported in the same month of 2020 year. Order. It's important to be very clear about the different aspects in which production activities are developed within each specific area of the company. We must take into account the production cost and thus have more concrete forecast on the order. We must take into account the production cost and thus have a more concrete forecast of the order. Which are the objectives? The coffee company expects to have 100% responsible sourced coffee with traceability to the group of coffee farms where it was grown. The coffee will be verified or certified by dependent organizations. It will reduce and eliminate carbon emissions from where it sources its coffee and in all its operations. It will also use packaging with a lower environmental impact. Determine the type or model of production made to order batch or continuous, and justify your choice. Well, batch production system. This manufacturing method is used to produce limited quantity of the same product to order. Its main characteristic in the versatility of the facilities, which allow the production of different types of goods. For this reason, the labor force must be qualified. The theory of constraints aims to identify the constraints or limitations that hinder the achievement of the objectives in a system, for example, a company or a production plan, and they attack this constraint until it's no longer a limiting factor. The elements of production costs are raw material, direct labor, indirect manufacturing overhead, items to be included in a checklist to verify one of the activities carried out within the project plan. One, make a list or activity or task to be verified. Name the attributes and variables to be verified for each activity. Determine from the previous step the importance or impact of each attribute and variable on the final result. Analyze all the information and make a list describing the item that were made with the checklist. Finally, distribution requirement planning. I consider it the most optimal for the company because it makes the delivery of goods more efficient to determine what goods in what quantity and in what location are requiring them to meet anticipate demand. The objective is to minimize shortgates and reduce the cost of ordering, transporting, and holding goods. It is used to derive the demand and forecast and to make short-term decisions, ensure a distribution plan, store rotation, reduce cycles, improve customer service, reduce transportation costs, automatically equip warehouse, and reducing obsolescence.